Let's start to making these beautiful home decor. Firstly, you clean your mold very well. Like me? Now, first here we will take a bowl and add some white cement. For the strength of our product, we will add some white glue. Now we will mix this mixture with water. You will have to mix this mixture very well, like me. Now we will mix these vibrant colors in this mixture. And now we will add this mixture in the mold. And just tap your mold very well. Look how simple is this method, and then we will wait for 24 hours to dry this. After 24 hours, our product are fully dry. Let's demold it. With soft hand and slowly we will demold this beautiful bubble trick. Look how shiny is this. Now we will demold this beautiful candle jar slowly and soft hand, just like me. Now our jar is fully demolded, and then we demold this jar cap. here is the final result of our product. Hope you liked the video.